In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant Error VAL 29. So first, go here and type in services. And here you want to find VGC, so type V, click V on your keyboard and you'll be able to find it faster. So right click, properties, and make sure this is set to automatic, click apply and OK. And then click start, apply and OK. If it's already started, then you need to restart it. So you will see a button that says restart. Click on restart and then you can close this down. Next thing you need to do is you need to go here, type in CMD, right click, run as administrator. So over here, type the first command ipconfig/renew and then ipconfig flush DNS and then netsh winsock reset, and then you of course have to press enter, and after that you can close this down. Next thing, you want to go here and type in control panel. Now go to network and internet, network and sharing, click on your internet and then click properties, and then down here find internet protocol version 4, go to properties, use this, and here you need to type the following code, so 11111001, and then click OK. Now here you want to click OK again and then just close this down. If you're still having issues, then you can try it. Go to CMD again, right click, run as administrator, type in sfc/scan now and press enter. This will scan through your computer for any errors and it will fix it, and hopefully this fixes your issue.